Hello, welcome back to another video of me wasting my hard-earned money blind buying colognes for your entertainment. If I hate them, then you get a laugh. If I love them, then it was money well spent and I can put you guys on with good colognes. Don't miss out the videos of me actually like going through the process and buying them online. But this is kind of like part 2 where I actually got my package. This time it's from Lhomme shop. I did buy 3 colognes, but one of them did not come yet. It's like delayed or some shit. So first up, let's start off with one of the most hyped colognes nowadays in TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts. This is Rasasi Hawas, and this one is Ice. I got the Ice version. I just heard Rasasi Hawas Ice was just better, sweeter, fresher, sexier, all that good stuff. So why would I not get it? It was a little more expensive, so like 30 more bucks than Rasasi Hawas. I thought it was worth it because I like the name Ice. It just like I feel like it's gonna smell refreshing, you know. So let's open it up, and here it is. Rasasi Hawas Ice. I like the bottle. Loki looks really good. It looks refreshing. Like I said, like you can drink this shit probably. So I'm not gonna lie, I did open this up yesterday. I got it yesterday, and I sprayed just one spray, one on this wrist, and then the second cologne on this wrist. So just so I can test out the performance, and I couldn't wait. Also, when I open this up, I can smell it just from here, like without even opening it up. I can smell it. I don't know if Lhomme shop sends me these colognes like with the atomizers falling off. I did open it, the atomizer was falling off. I don't know if that's Lhomme shop's fault or Rasasi's fault, but yeah, I could smell it, and it smelled like fucking strong. It was strong as hell, sweet, kind of like bubblegum, intoxicating. But yeah, let's spray it on the air first. That reminds me of Asaro, the most wanted EDT, the newer one, the fresh one. Just from the opening, the citruses, kind of like the sweet, intoxicating but fresh scent. I think as it dries down, it definitely turns into its own thing. Let's spray it on the skin again. That smells so strong, so sweet, like bubblegum, lemon, green apple, but it's not like intoxicating sweet. It's like a little bit of musk, a little bit of that like sweetness. It could be amber, like the Asaro line, but honestly pretty good for right now. And like I said, I did put it on my wrist yesterday, and I will say I sprayed it like at 3 p.m. right? 3 p.m. I took a nap and everything. I went to wrestling school. I was sweating. I got home at like 9:30, let's say. I took a shower. After a shower, I smelled my wrist, and I can still smell a hint of Rasasi Hawas Ice. How long is that? That's like 7 hours, 7.5 hours. So after I was sweating, I took a whole nap, I took a whole shower, still smell Rasasi Hawas. Really good longevity, really good projection. I kept getting whiffs just from one spray on the wrist. So for you guys who like long-lasting, good performing, having a strong sillage, having everyone smell you and smelling good as fuck, not to mention Rasasi Hawas is probably going to be a good option for you. I honestly get the hype. I get the hype of this cologne everywhere on social media, and I can't say anything about Rasasi Hawas. I can only talk about Ice. But if people say this is better, then I'm gonna take their word for it, and I can vouch for how good this one is. Honestly, it's rare to have long-lasting summer freshies, and this one is a long-lasting summer freshie. So Rasasi Hawas Ice, first impressions, yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Honestly, pretty high, 7 out of 10. Nothing crazy like Percival, right? Percival's a 10 out of 10. This one's a 7 out of 10. Might bump it up to an 8 out of 10, but I still gotta wear it out like fully, like one spray right here, one spray right here. Go out, see how it does, see how it dries down, the whiffs that I catch, how my girl reacts to it. But it has potential. Rasasi Hawas Ice, amazing first impressions. I do recommend this one, yeah. Next up, we got Guerlain's Lhomme Idéal Eau de Parfum, the pink one. But I was so disappointed when I opened this one up because look at this shit. Bro, what the fuck? This is not pink. Like where's the pink, bro? This is like orange, brownish, clear almost. This is not no pink. This is not the picture. I didn't pay for this. I paid for the pink one. Hell no. I think the old batches used to be pink, but this one's like more dirty orange, which I was so disappointed. I was looking forward to having the pink bottle in my collection over there, my display, but it is what it is. I know you guys don't really care about the bottle. I do. I care a lot about the bottles, but I know you guys care about the scent. So let's spray it in the air first. Damn, it smells good, bro. It smells like fucking almond milk or some shit. What the fuck? It's like dark. I get that little bit of cinnamon, vanilla, DNA, but not too much, like not too sweet. It's like the same type of DNA from the Dior Rome line, the Dior Fahrenheit. Not as strong as Dior Fahrenheit, obviously, because it's still sweet, but I thought this was gonna be a little sweeter, a little bit more intoxicating. This is pretty good, actually. What the fuck? Then I get like a little dark, like when you're chewing a peppermint gum, like that type of dark smell. It's pretty good in the air. Again, let's spray it on skin. Then I sprayed it straight on my finger, straight on my hand. I completely missed my wrist. I definitely get the almond that people talk about. It's a really interesting note, a really interesting scent. There's not that many colognes that smell like this. Again, I was expecting a sweet type of like cherry, maybe cherry icy smell. That sweet, overpowering smell. But this is a sweet, dark cologne with that cherry, that almond, that vanilla. It's a warm, dark cologne, so it's definitely more for fall, winter, nights. Like I said, I did spray Rasasi Hawas on this wrist and Guerlain on this wrist. And after my nap, my training, my shower, I could still smell Guerlain's Lhomme Idéal on my wrist. And it was low-key stronger than Rasasi Hawas, which is like really interesting. Even in training, I got a little whiff of this and I was like, is that me? Is that me smelling good right here? Like it wasn't, like it was so subtle, but I was still getting really good whiffs. It was really good, and that's with one spray only again. So I'm really impressed with this one too. Completely different scents, completely different vibes, different seasons, different occasions. Really good blind buying experience today. These are both amazing fragrances. I think I'm going to give this one an 8 out of 10 just because it's something different, something original, but still done amazing. This one is a good example of being different, being unique, being kind of like a risk taker, but also still smelling amazing. I can still wear this into society and function normally, not like wearing like Spice Mom. Like you can't really function like that. For this one, not only can you function normally, you can be confident that you smell amazing. And we all know when you smell good, you perform good. So Guerlain's Lhomme Idéal Eau de Parfum, an 8 out of 10 for right now. Let's see how it does later on when I get a chance to try this one on a little bit more. So there you go. These are the two colognes that I blind bought this time around. This one was 75 bucks. This one was 79 bucks. So a little bit on the higher end, but the quality reflects the price. Yeah, quality over quantity. These two are definitely going to be good additions to my collection. My collection is growing slowly but surely. And as my collection grows, I can put you guys on with better smelling colognes so that you can just smell better. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like for more videos, follow me on Instagram, and yeah, just smell better.